The band's called the Rabble, by the way. It's a new thing, but I think we're going with it. So yeah, here's a song called Trucks.
Nice dogs.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
Wash your clean,